Want free Bitcoin sent to your Cash App without the guesswork? Watch this and get it right the first time. I'm going to show you how to receive Bitcoin on Cash App step by step, so the coins land in your wallet safely. Open Cash App and tap the Bitcoin tab. If you don't see Bitcoin, enable it in the app settings. Complete identity verification. If prompted, verification lets you deposit and withdraw Bitcoin. Tap Receive or Deposit Bitcoin. Cash App will generate your personal Bitcoin address and a QR code. Copy the address exactly or show the QR code to the sender. Only use this address for Bitcoins sent over the Bitcoin network. Do not accept other coins on this address. Tell the sender to use the Bitcoin network and paste your copied address or scan the QR code. Ask the sender to add a note describing the payment if needed. Expect network confirmations to take time depending on network load. Cash App usually requires several confirmations before showing the balance. After the sender broadcasts the transaction, check the Bitcoin tab for incoming activity. If it doesn't appear after a reasonable time, ask the sender for the transaction ID so you can track it on a block explorer. If the sender used the wrong network or wrong address, those funds are likely lost and not recoverable. Double-check every character of the address before sharing. Use two-factor authentication on your Cash App account. Keep your app updated and never share your recovery phrases or private keys. That's it. Receive Bitcoin by generating your Cash App address, share it with the sender, wait for confirmations, and secure your account.